So I earned the trust of the line by being the taper, the guy who closed the box. But what I learned is, listen, these are amazing sort of places that touch the community in so many ways. They're full of food here in the warehouse, but the reality is that this is another place where this is about people who show up to volunteer, and the folks that are out here expecting a box of goods that come from this food bank and helping harvest. So I'm always humbled because we talk about the productivity of agriculture. We're proud of it. We're promoting it this week, and it's part of Urban Ag. But at the end of the day, we also have folks around us who are food insecure. So it's a reminder that for most of us, we can go to the store and get what we want. But there's also a lot of folks in the neighborhood who are counting on, helping harvest and the food bank structure, the charitable food system of Pennsylvania for their daily needs. And that's both humbling, but also inspiring in so many ways that the people do that.
It can be a challenge. We got, I think, like 14 skids of strawberries this week. They have to be turned around right away. So, but for hygiene products, we can distribute them. We're probably serving close to 110,000 people in versus Schuylkill County right now, and they need toothpaste just like everybody else. Yeah. So we're here today celebrating Pennsylvania 250 Day, so we're here celebrating our anniversary. We're also, for the first time, packing what we call maternal health boxes. So these are boxes designed to provide nutritious food to food insecure pregnant mothers. It's part of our program of trying to direct as much food as possible towards children during their brain development years, understanding if we don't meet their nutritional needs in the earliest part of their lives, they'll probably carry deficits that will be very difficult to make up. So we have Secretary Redding, Senator Schwank, Representative Cepeda, First Energy. A lot of organizations are here with us today, packing those boxes for the very first time. We'll distribute those over the next couple of weeks, get feedback from the clients about how useful the food was, and make changes over the next probably 3 or 4 weeks. Very excited about this, and so glad to have the support here today. Here in Pennsylvania, we live in a breadbasket of America, and there should be enough food for everybody in Pennsylvania to feel healthy and fed. Secretary Redding understands this probably better than almost anybody else, and is trying to make connections between the food industry and food banks and food insecure people to make sure that we can meet those needs. He's been instrumental in launching the PASS program, it stands for Pennsylvania Agricultural Surplus Program, where the state provides money to the food banks that we can use to purchase Pennsylvania manufactured or grown products and provide them to low-income people in our communities. It's key to our success. It's innovative. It's one of the best programs in the country.
This was my second year volunteering at Helping Harvest for America 250 Day, and I really enjoy it. I love being able to give back to my community. Helping Harvest, I've done many projects with. I was a part of the Hunger Fighters at Wilson, and it's just a cause near and dear to my heart. With my title as Miss Philadelphia's Teen, I've been able to advocate for pollinator protection. And what a lot of people don't understand is that 1 out of every 3 bites of food comes from a pollinator. So it's great to give that back and showcase that message here today at Helping Harvest.